Hello all the beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll tell you how I take care of my skin and hair at night time. Firstly, if there is any makeup, I use jojoba oil to remove that. This one is the pure jojoba oil from the jojoba company, which I purchased from Priceline. Now why I use jojoba oil to remove the makeup? Because it's the most gentle oils. It's non-comedogenic and suitable for all skin types, especially acne prone skin, which I have. I take few pumps and massage into the face. Then with the makeup remover cloth which I got from Woolworths, I remove the makeup. Now makeup removers can leave the skin feeling dry, stripped and dehydrated, whereas jojoba oil actually moisturizes the skin as it cleanses. After that, I double cleanse to make sure all makeup is removed completely, and the face wash I use is a Fleur Rocher-Posay foaming gel. I really like this face wash as it really gently cleanses the face, and most importantly, it suits my acne prone skin. Trust me, I used several face washes, nothing suited me but this one. I got fewer acne since I using it. Now after wash I pat dry my face with a towel. Try to pat dry and don't scratch your face by dragging towel to wipe. Be gentle with your skin. Now lip care is important as well, and I use chapstick original one for my dry chapped lips. Again guys, trust me for this lip balm. It really hydrates your lips for long time and heals the chapped lips. I use it regularly few times a day. Now as the next step, I apply the retinol. I use Sunday Riley's Luna Sleeping Oil. This retinol contains blue tansy and German chamomile essential oil, which helps soothe the skin and reduces surface redness. I use it on alternate days because my skin is used to it now, but it's said that if you are starting retinol, must start with once a week, and I would say apply a moisturizer before, as this is little tingling to the skin. In the starting, some people even find redness of the skin, but it's not for long. The skin is getting used to it. Also, don't apply a lot. Less is always more with retinol. Now, after 3 weeks, you can apply twice a week for another 3 weeks and then as you feel like, such as I use on alternate days now. Honestly, I bought retinol because I heard many doctors say it's good for clearing acne. This was my main concern. However, I was getting extra benefits such as it helpful for getting rid of premature aging, wrinkles and fine lines. It shrinks the pores, uneven texture. It's also good for treating dullness and dryness. Now after massaging on my face, I apply some on my neck as well. Then I massage it in upward direction. Later, using the gua sha, I do some neck massage for the sagging jaw and double chin. I saw this on YouTube. A girl had a tutorial on this. I am doing since then. I use 3 times on each side in upward direction, just as you can see I am doing. Actually, I gained pretty good weight last year and trying to lose, because of which I noticed sagging skin below my jawline. Now this technique actually helped me a lot. So I only do the gua sha on my neck and chin. I do not do on the face, although I have the jade roller as well. I don't know, I have seen like when I use that I get more acne. I don't know, it should not be like that, but I don't know how it is so that's why I don't use it on face. Now Sunday Riley's retinol comes in a serum form as well, which I came to know later, and next time I will get the serum instead of the oil, because I read somewhere that for oily skin and acne prone skin, serum is better than oils. I will put the link from where I learned this gua sha technique down below in the description box. After this, I blow 20 kisses straight towards the ceiling, then repeat on left and right side as well. Then I tap 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 my double chin. Until I finish this, retinol gets enough time to absorb into the skin. Then as the next step, I apply moisturizer. You may use any moisturizer which suits your skin. I use Tatcha, as again my skin doesn't love all the products. Very rare brands suit me, and Tatcha is one of them. Don't have enough words to describe the pros of this moisturizer. This is a water cream. Actually feels like I'm using water on my skin. Has beautiful fragrance and my skin feel moisturized whole day and night and soft like a baby. Now, this helped me for shrinking and large pores as well. I would highly recommend this brand, guys. If you're thinking to buy it, don't think twice. Dry skin people can use it silk canvas. This cream sits well under makeup as well. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Well, for my under eyes, I use coconut oil and I'm using this for years. Studies show that coconut oil can help cell turnover, making the skin barrier stronger by thickening it. Using regularly helps reduce signs of fine lines, and coconut oil also diminishes the appearance of dark circles. I have tested this on myself, and yes, I can say I got rid of my dark circles. If by chance you apply a lot, just wipe little bit with a tissue. Now I also apply a concoction of oils for my lashes health and growth, and I use this on my eyebrows as well. This concoction consists of equal quantity of coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil and sweet almond oil plus half of castor oil. For example, 1 teaspoon of each and half a teaspoon of the castor oil. I apply using a mascara wand. You can even apply using a q-tip, or if some mascara has been finished, you can keep its wand, just wash it and you can reuse it for such purposes. Again, if there is any extra, I wipe with the tissue. Not to forget, I also do chemical exfoliation of my skin and I use glycolic acid once a week for that. Just keep in mind, when I use this, I do not apply retinol with it. I just apply moisturizer after 2 minutes. If you have dry skin, lactic acid will be good for you, but for oily, try this one. This helps get rid of dead skin cells, helps clearing my acne and also the appearance of pores. Now, I do take care of my hair as well. I never leave them open for the whole night. You must detangle them, then braid them loosely. I don't leave the ends loose as well. I just tuck them into the elastic just as I would be showing it. Now, all these little things help my hair to be frizz free, free from split ends, breaking or drying. I don't have a silk pillowcase yet, but I do have a silk scarf which I do not use often, so I use it to cover my pillow. Silk pillowcase is so beneficial for skin as well as hair. The results are not instant, but over a period of regular use, you will definitely see the results. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Do try this routine or anything from this video, it will surely help you. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who needs it.